Hi children, very good morning. Welcome to your English class children. This is your literacy skill book. Here you can see and this is page number 41. So here the topic is action words. What is the topic? Action words. In the previous classes we have learned position words. So today let's learn action words. Action words means action words describe what you are doing. ನೀವೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದೇ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಿಟಿಂಗ್, ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್, cooking, so all what work you are doing, it is only the action word children. So action word means action words describe what you are doing. Okay, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದೇ action word. So here they given some pictures with action words. Let's learn these words children. Okay, what is this? Run, run, run. What is this? Jumping is jumping. Yes, jump. Dance, dance. Whack, whack. Or you can say walk also. Okay, so your ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ವಾಕ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಈಡ್, ರೀಡ್, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇ. ಈಡ್, ರೀಡ್. ಐಟ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸಿ ಐ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಐ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಇ. ಐಟ್, ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐಟ್, ರೈಟ್. ಐ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಐ, ಕ್ರೈ. ಸೊ ವೈ ಆರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಯಿತು? ರೈ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ರೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರೈ, ರೈ, ಕ್ರೈ. ಸಿ ಹೌ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ರೈ, ಕ್ರೈ. ಓಕೆ. ಉಕ್, ಲುಕ್. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್. ಸಿ ಉಕ್, ಲುಕ್. ಅಂಚ್, ಪಂಚ್. ಅಂಚ್, ಪಂಚ್. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಪಂಚಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಚ್, ಪಂಚ್. Again, here they given some more words. Brush, brush. What is this? Brush, brush. Paint, paint. See, cross I, circle A, long sound. Paint, paint. Okay. Next, draw ink, drink. Draw ink, drink. Ride, ride. See, I has a long sound. Ride, ride. Sleep, sleep. Okay. Climb, climb. See, your I has a long sound. Circle it. Climb, climb. See, CL. Climb, climb. Sing, sing. Sing, sing. Point, point. Point, point. ಸಿ ಯೋರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಓ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತು ಐ ಸೌಂಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಇ ಎ ಟಿ, ಈಟ್. ಇ ಎ ಟಿ, ಈಟ್. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇ. ಸೊ ಇ ಎ ಟಿ, ಈಟ್. ಈಟ್, ಈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಮ್, comb. What you should say? Comb, comb. Here you getting O sound children. Comb, comb. Next, ik, kick. Ik, kick. Okay children. So practice these words and you have to send the oral video of these 2 pages children. So and I am going to explain you how you should do the worksheet children. So today I given worksheet also. So here what is the heading? Look and write the correct action words from the help box. Here they have given a help box and you have to select the correct word and you have to match to the given picture. What he is doing? Run. Or you and run. So climb. What he is doing? Climbing. Is climbing the steps. Here you can see. Climb. So cry. Cry, cry. Cry. Okay, cry. What is this? Sleep. Sleep. Sing. What is she is doing? Sing. Okay. Next, I will explain this worksheet because I given this for homework. Look at the picture and write. See, look at the picture. So I have told you TUR ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಚ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟಿ ಯು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಚ ಸೌಂಡ್. Picture. Okay, picture. Here he is silent and write the correct action words. Okay. So here they given a pictures, children. They have given 6 pictures and they given a help box, children, to select a word. Okay. So and we have to select this, and here also they have given 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what is the first picture, children? What is the monkey doing here? So what is the first picture? Here they given walk. Yes, walk. And you have to write the walk here. Illi baribeku walk anta. So second picture alli what is the monkey doing? Sleep. What she is doing? Sleep. So you have to write sleep. Here you can say sleep no in a second line. Okay, what is the monkey doing? What standing. What is the monkey doing? No. Sorry, children. So here you can see it is holding a branch and it is hanging. So what is a monkey doing? Hanging. It is hanging. No, what is a monkey doing? Here they given hang. So you have to write hang in the third line. So here what is a monkey doing? Sit. What is a monkey doing? Sit. So in the fourth line you should write sit. So here monkey is jumping. So you should write jump in the fifth column. Here they given children words. Okay, jump in a fifth line. Okay, what is a monkey doing here? Stand. What is a monkey doing? Stand. So you have to write stand in a sixth line. Okay, so you have to complete these worksheets, children, and also you have another 2 worksheets in your literacy workbook, and this is page number 12 and 13. Keep in mind, and here also they given a help box and you have to write the correct action words. Alice is, what she is doing? Skipping. Alice is skipping. Okay, and Jane is, see your long A sound. Jane is writing. Jane is writing. She is writing, no? Yes. Kim is, what is Kim doing? Cooking. No. She is eating, children. Kim is, in option they have given eating. Kim is eating. What is the Kim doing? Kim is eating. What is this? Ron. R-O-N. Ron is thinking. Ron is thinking. Here they are given a thinking word. Okay, Ron is thinking. Tia is, see what is this? Tia is jumping. Tia is jumping. Sam is reading. Sam is reading. Once again, children, Alice is skipping. Jane is writing. Kim is eating. Ron is thinking. Tia is jumping. Sam is reading. Okay, children. So next you have to